Yo, what is going on? So today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw Sunwaves token. So first you're gonna make sure you verify your account. Ensure your Sunwaves token account is verified by completing the Know Your Customer KYC process. You're gonna meet the minimum withdrawal threshold. Check the Sunwaves token app or website for the minimum. It's unknown, so if it doesn't work, wait to have more than you have right now. So yeah, I'm gonna try. You need to have a sufficient balance to initiate a withdrawal. There is no specific amount. Choose your withdrawal method. Sunwaves token support multiple withdrawal methods, including Telegram. There is also other methods which are not mentioned. You may need to contact Sunwaves to know about the available options or try with your options. Provide withdrawal details. When initiating a withdrawal, you need to provide the necessary details, including withdrawal amounts, withdrawal method, Telegram or other, any required authentication or verification information. Wait for the processing and confirmation. You'll receive a notification when the withdrawal is successful. Your withdrawal status. Keep track of your withdrawal status through the Sunwaves token app or website. You may be able to view the processing status, estimated time, and any potential issues. And that's basically it.